Welcome to 11 Plus Advanced Vocabulary. Building your word power with 10 essential words for academic success. The word is astute. Astute means quick to understand. Synonyms are shrewd, perceptive. The opposite word or antonym is naive. Here's an example. The most astute pupil spotted the pattern first. The word is resilient. Resilient means able to bounce back. Synonyms are tough, adaptable. The opposite word or antonym is fragile. Here's an example. Her resilient attitude helped her excel. The word is meticulous. Meticulous means very precise and careful. Synonyms are thorough, exacting. The opposite word or antonym is sloppy. Here's an example. His meticulous notes made revision easy. The word is benevolent. Benevolent means kind and helpful. Synonyms are charitable, compassionate. The opposite word or antonym is cruel. Here's an example. A benevolent stranger paid for the ticket. The word is candid. Candid means honest and direct. Synonyms are frank, straightforward. The opposite word or antonym is evasive. Here's an example. Her candid feedback improved the project. The word is frugal. Frugal means careful with money. Synonyms are thrifty, economical. The opposite word or antonym is extravagant. Here's an example. Being frugal funded their holiday. The word is vigilant. Vigilant means watchful and alert. Synonyms are attentive, wary. The opposite word or antonym is oblivious. Here's an example. The lifeguard stayed vigilant all day. The word is plausible. Plausible means seeming reasonable. Synonyms are credible, believable. The opposite word or antonym is unlikely. Here's an example. It's plausible, but we need proof. The word is improvise. Improvise means create on the spot. Synonyms are ad lib, extemporize. The opposite word or antonym is rehearse. Here's an example. She improvised when the mic failed. The word is obstinate. Obstinate means stubbornly refusing to change. Synonyms are headstrong, inflexible. The opposite word or antonym is yielding. Here's an example. He was too obstinate to turn back.